In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to append data in Tableau, a powerful tool for visual analytics. This process should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and make sure you have a seamless experience. First, open Tableau Desktop and connect to your initial data source. This is a crucial step and will take you to the data source page. Here, you can see all your tables and existing connections laid out in a straightforward manner. Imagine this page as your command center. It's where you orchestrate how data flows into your visualization environment. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this setup because understanding your data structure is key to effective analysis. Now, once you're comfortably on the data source page, go ahead and click on Extract. You might wonder what this means. In simple terms, when you create an extract, you're essentially saving a snapshot of your data for faster performance. Tableau extracts make data processing smoother, especially with large data sets. If you see a Save Extract As prompt appear, simply click on Save. This will store the extract file on your system. Think of it like saving your progress in a video game, ensuring you don't lose any important steps along the way. Next, keep an eye on the data pane. This is usually located on the left side of your Tableau interface. Right-click on the data source's name here. It acts as your anchor point in the data pane. Hover over the option labeled Extract, and then select Append Data from File. These clicks are taking you to the heart of appending your data, an essential process if you're looking to update or enrich your current dataset in Tableau. The following step requires you to choose the file you want to append from your computer. Browse through your files and select the one that you wish to integrate. This is where you bring in additional data that needs to be seamlessly combined with your existing dataset. Make sure this file is well organized and matches the structure of your original data as closely as possible. Doing so ensures compatibility and reduces errors during the appending process. Finally, select the file, and the system will begin incorporating it into Tableau. This might take a moment, so be patient. A successful append means your original data source is now enhanced with new data without having to disrupt your setup. The process is complete once you see the new data reflected in the data pane. And there you have it, a succinct method to append data in Tableau. Remember, appending efficiently can enhance insights and enable a more robust data narrative. Practice these steps a couple of times, and soon it will become second nature as you work on honing your data visualization skills with Tableau. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help out.